Pencil, agenda, binder, assigned seats, everybody fill in your homework. Hi everyone, this is back for the next lesson, and hope everything's going good for you guys and you're staying safe and healthy. I'm just washing my hands with some lava, which of course is liquid hot magma that has made it to the surface, and then it cools off and it becomes rock like basalt. Indeed. So, and also, I am feeling a little famished, so I've got my law of superposition Pringles. Remember the youngest one is going to be right on the top, and the older ones are going to be way down deep. So, your essential question today: according to evolution, when did humans evolve? Your homework, please email me your responses or email me a photo of your responses when you have completed all 5 of this week's assignments. Responses. How old is Earth? Is there anybody that knows how old is Earth? Oh, Helen!
The Earth is 4.6 billion years old.
That's right! 4.6 billion years old. You guys learned that when you did your toilet paper timeline. Now, somewhere on this timeline, life happens. Life, the oldest fossils we've ever discovered, are 3.5 billion years old. That's when life happened. And for a billion years, they were just super simple. And then, a long time later, about 600 million years ago, life just took off and started to become more and more diverse, and evolution kind of kicked into high gear, and we went from animals and plants that were in the water, and then they conquered the land. About 400 million years ago, we have our land animals. Then we have the age of the reptiles, then the first dinosaurs. And when modern humans, us, evolved, was right about where the top of that letter A is. Right there. Now, a lot of people say we evolved from apes. And you saw a movie of the apes at the water hole. That's why we got this one in the room. But actually, that whole thing about us evolving from apes, did we evolve from apes? No, we didn't. I know that sounds kind of crazy coming from a science teacher, but there's a lot of confusion on this, so I'm going to hopefully try to enlighten you today. Let's go to a nice diagram that should put it all into perspective. If we evolved from apes, then why are apes still around? That's a really good question. People ask it all the time. We did not go from ape to human. Actually, to be more scientifically correct, apes, modern apes, and modern humans, we share a common ancestor. That's the better way to describe this, and that's where a lot of this, crazy confusion from evolution versus creation comes in, is because people say we evolved from apes. No, not exactly. Here's the apes that we know of today, including the gorilla and the chimpanzee, and there's us. Now, if you go backwards through the fossil record, which is what all of these are about, these are the animals and plants that have had their chance. They didn't adapt enough and they went extinct. And so the fossil record explains this. If you go back far enough, we share a common ancestor with these other apes. It's not like we evolved from them. We evolved from a common ancestor. Here's another way to think of it. You've seen this poster a lot. Chimpanzee looking kind of thing. And then these are early humans. These aren't early apes. These are early humans. These are the early apes. These darker silhouettes here. This is a modern day chimpanzee. This is a modern day human. We share a common ancestor. So you're going to see a video with Homer Simpson. That's why we have Homer in the classroom. Today's lesson kind of gives a shout out to Homer Simpson. It's not very long, but it's actually very well done. It's like less than 2 minutes long, and it's all based on The Simpsons. Hope you have a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I've got one more video coming up later this week.